Hello everyone. Today you have joined with DT Creative LK YouTube channel. So some people don't know how to create a Gmail account properly, or they don't know how to create an email address for themselves. So in today's video I am going to talk about how to create a Gmail account for yourself. So let's go to the video. If you want to know more about this video, click the subscribe button below. Click the bell icon next to it. Then as soon as you post a new video, you can bring that video to you. An email account for yourself in this way. First turn on your phone or computer data and open a web browser on your phone or computer. I use Google Chrome web browser to create the account. Open the web browser and then search for create a Gmail account in the search bar. Then in the window that appears, there is a link called Create a Gmail Account. Click on it. After that, in the window that comes up, there is a red color that says Create an Account. Click on it. After that, type the first part of your name in the first name field on the next tab. Then type the last part of your name where it says last name. Then click the next button below. Enter your birthday in the next window. In the section called Gender under it, select Male, Female, Rave Not Say, or Custom. I used male because male. You have also selected the relevant one below. Then click the next button below. Then in the window that comes, Google has provided us with two Gmail addresses using the first name and last name that we provided earlier. If you want, you can choose one of those two Gmail addresses. Or click on Create your own Gmail address below it and we can create a Gmail address of your choice. I click one and create a Gmail address as I like and click the next button. After that, in the window that appears, enter a password for the Gmail that we created, and give a strong password for Gmail. You can check the password you create by putting a tick in the place that says Show Password below. Use a good mix password using capital, simple word, symbol, numbers. Enter a new password in the place of the above password and enter the same password once again in the place of Confirm Password. Click the next button below and go to the next page. In the next video, I will tell you about verifying a Gmail about the next page. Skip for now and go to the next window. Type your phone number on the next page. Then click the next button. Click the next button for the next page and go to the next page. Go to the bottom of the next page and click on the I agree button and after a while you will be logged into your Gmail account. In this way, he creates a Gmail account properly. Now if you log into another phone or computer, you can log in using the Gmail address and password you created. Let's see how to verify a Gmail in the next video. I hope you have learned how to create a Gmail address correctly. If the video is good, share it with someone else. If you want to know more about this video, click the subscribe button below. Click the bell icon next to it. Then as soon as you post a new video, you can bring the video to you. Have a nice day everyone until we meet again with a new video like this. DT Creative LK